when you're lost and alone in the forest, and trees surround you everywhere. There's light in the dark, it lies in your heart. Just believe and you'll find your way home. There's nothing to be scared of here. Trust in Mother Nature, like an owl you can soar when you know what you're looking for. There's nothing to be scared of.
Yep, everything will be just fine. Look out for that creeping vine.
Well, that certainly instilled the lad with confidence.
Actually, I think it scared him more.
We'll make your fears go away. Your friends are here, don't be afraid. Look all around you, this place is great. So sing along and celebrate.
Ignore that cougar, he just ate.
You do realize you're not helping.
Sorry.
Again, please. There's nothing to be scared of here. Trust in Mother Nature, like an owl you can soar when you know what you're looking for. Come on out of your cocoon. Did somebody call for raccoon? Just as we were starting to make progress.
Well, excuse me.
One more time, Brother Moose. There's nothing to be scared of here. Just be brave and daring. Let go of your fear. In your heart you will hear. There's nothing to be scared of. Just listen for the great wolf's howl. He's out there on the ground. I think we're going to have to try something different. Now, let's
sorry.
see, what could we try? I know, we could build them a nest.
Well, if we ask for yes,
Not now.